there you go. So I brought the new black version. It actually comes with a front coupler. Which you ask me, that's pretty good. It's all Kato. And find a little string in the Kato hoppers. Back on the track. So we'll see, these two will pull up to 2% grade for all the hoppers. Yeah, there's stuff everywhere, but that's what happens when you're working. Hopefully get my signals running today, that'd be helpful. Look at that, easy as. It's pulling it. It's 2% grade. Oh, that does have all of these. Well, I'm real happy with that. Definitely going to buy another black one, or the freight version. It's good to get the signals up and running. It's a job for this afternoon. That's pretty good. So yeah, if you got the freight version, I'll call it the black version. It comes with a coupler, and you just pull the front cow basher off, and just, yeah, hooks onto the front truck, and there you go. Double headed. That's awesome. And it's pulling a decent, I'm not so sure how many packs of them I've got. It's really, really good. I've got to stop it there because I've got no track power going across the bridge. And there we go, so I might as well do an update while we're here. I'm still waiting for stuff to come in, but we are getting there slowly. But the Kato track, I'm not going to say anything about Pico, it's just, yeah, it's, how do we say, better. That looks pretty complicated. They even brought some of these little things. So we're getting there. So put a lift bridge in. You can see, nice and simple, nice and easy. So I've got a few more signals coming. I'll go hook them all up today, hopefully. We are getting there. And if you haven't seen that, it's just your number 4 points. Join them all together. There you go, that's how you get your crossover. And a little engine house. Got the Kato American crossing coming. I think we're putting that in, just in here. I'm going to be doing street running again. So I've ordered the unitrack track, I suppose you call it, which is going to be running through here. And that's where the town's going to be. Same again, it's going to be all pine trees because the track does follow the bordering, which we all know that can be quite boring. So cover it in pine trees, and yeah, a tunnel there. I didn't make it so high this time. It just, yeah, it's 2 meters. 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 2 Yeah, it was nice, but yeah, flat and easier with just the one hill or the one gradient. Just, yeah, I don't know. I reckon it's pretty good. I've got a couple of industrial going off here and here. There'll be another one over here with the drill sitting as well. The yard. Same with here. So we've got a set of points coming off. So I'll have a little industrial there. Something over in the middle. So I've got 3 tracks each, storing trains. A little yard, and then over the far side, got the points coming off. And these 2 lines here will be for the double stacks and the coal, not a coal drag. So that will fit all the way around and plug back in over here. The Kato bridges are really good. I did glue them together, so I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I find it a lot more sturdier. That's pretty good. I really like that. And then behind some buildings. But still got more signals to come. Still got some more points to come. And yeah, just general bits and pieces. I brought some of the Kato little van looking things. Very, very well detailed. I can't believe how well detailed they are. It's quite good. And then I brought some stuff from a hobby shop over in Sydney, and he ended up sending me these for free to some people, so I didn't mind. $9 for free. You're not going to say no, are you? This here, I got my shadow. Yeah, the front plate fell off and I can't find it. And then those 2, I took them off because I didn't read the instructions on how to take the front cow catcher off. So, you know, yeah, read the instructions. It's a lot easier if you do it that way. But that's pretty good. I'll have to get another one now. Some my little hoppers. So just Kato track, just all the way. It's just simple as that. Plug and play. Same with the signal system. Just buy the little boxes. Yeah, I don't need to. When we were running the PK track, no offence to PK, but just simple things like a signal system for DC was just, yeah, oh, you got to buy a laptop, you got to have blocks and all this other crap, and it's like, no, I just want, yeah, so Kato is the way to go. Plug them in, they work, they're fantastic. But we'll give you another update in a couple of weeks when we get some more stuff in. And yeah, we'll go from there. So there you go. Enjoy.